Hello, my name is Luis Fernando. I'm the CEO of DronePixel Venezuela. We are a drone service providers for telecom and utility companies. Today, telecom sites can come in different shapes, can be towers, rooftops, or poles, and they play in a bigger team called network infrastructure. These critical assets are considered hard to reach, and mobile operators, tower owners, and providers need to be updated with this information in order to maintenance, inventory, and expansion of the future. To monitor and auditing these assets, companies are taking high risk to climb towers, too much time to report their status, and great cost to the safety, liability, and inefficiency of data gathering. In DronePixel, we have created Pixel Tower. Pixel Tower is a digital twin representation combining AI and geospatial analysis with autonomous drone solution to inspect and monitor it. You can have visual accurate representation, measurable data, and detailed report of anomalies to the tower, reducing inspection from 1 day to 1 hour and reporting time from 2 weeks to days. Visual data is the new currency. Be part of the safest, fastest, and accurate data-driven solution, DronePixel.